You don't follow me? Sit here. Sit here. Let me coach you for you, eh? Okay. Just sit here.
Who is that?
Madam. Now one woman will come for the job. Cook.
What cook?
The one where she the one try apply for.
Oh no. Tell her we're no longer hiring a cook.
Hey! Madam, I'm on my knees. Please, I beg you in God's name. I need this job. I need it badly. Please, I lost everything sometime last week. I'm jobless as we speak. Please have mercy. Please, I need this job. You, this evil woman. It's a lie. You, this husband snatcher. What are you doing here? Am I dreaming? You are the one looking for a job as a cook. Witch. I'm not surprised. Chief, it is one woman that is looking for a job. One evil witch is here. Wicked woman. Sorry, no. God has not started. He has not started dealing with you. It's just the beginning. Wicked witch.
Hey, madam. So you look upset. Calm down. Please sit down. Which wicked woman were you talking about?
Is it not the woman that stole my husband? She came here looking for a job as a cook.
Huh.
Wicked woman.
That is strange. Are you sure she's not here to snitch on you?
I don't think so. From the look of things, she's really wretched. She looks hungry. I know my God is dealing with her.
It's alright. So where is she now?
I told her to leave.
Nonye, you shouldn't have done that. Eh? You don't need to repay evil with evil.
Sir, truth is, it will be very risky for her to live here with us. It won't be nice. I know that woman. From her appearance, you would think she's a nice person, but she's not. She's evil. So that was why I asked her to leave.
That's fine. But at least we could have given her some food and some money. Yes, it's also possible you can find out the whereabouts of your husband from her. Because I think your husband may have run away with her money.
So I don't care. I don't care. It's their business.
It's alright. Go and find something for her to eat. I will come later to give her some money. You don't sell now. That's what it will be. God's time is the best, eh, madam? Anyhow, we can just manage her.
Joe, give her something to eat. Okay. Yes, it's obvious she's hungry.
Okay.
Please. Sorry. You have every right to be angry. Forgive me. I offended you.
No. You did not offend me. You offended God.
Sissy! Sissy! Donald! Donald! You're alive. Of course I'm alive. Yay! Your plan didn't work. What are you doing here? Yay! Is she the cook? Donald! Alive.
Wait a minute. Is she your wife?
My ex-wife.
Why don't you get her arrested?
Don't worry. She will not go scot-free.
I'm seeing darkness, not light. I'm seeing darkness, not light. What we are doing is not right. Oh God, look at where I found myself.
Where have you been? I've been looking for you.
Idiot! You better stay away from me! Stay away! Rubbish! If I hadn't met you, I wouldn't have been in this mess! Rubbish!
Mess? You're the one who puts yourself in this mess. You brought me from frying pan into stirring fire. See what you've caused.
Why didn't you burn? When you were in the frying pan, why didn't you burn? You should have rusted! Idiot!
You're the one who's gonna burn, not me.
Oh no! You should have rusted! Idiot! Look at you, demon that flies by day!
This is what you are.
Holy Ghost fire burn you to
Holy Ghost fire
ashes!
scatter you.
Oh, shut up! Rubbish!
Shut up! Why must you slap me? Are you mad?
You have the nerve
Enough of me.
to slap me. Are you mad? Go punish you!
I'll kill you.
Pay me
If
back
you
the
touch me
money
again,
I
I'll kill
spent
you.
on you!
If you
Get out! Get out! Go punish you!
I'll kill you. Excuse you.
Punish you!
I'll kill you.
I'll kill you!
Yes, hold it right there. Hold it.
Come on!
Mrs. Sissy Donald, you are under arrest for the murder of Bobby Salem, attempted murder of Chief Donald Ibekwe, and forgery. You have right to be silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. You have right to an attorney, but if you don't have one, the state can provide you with one. Oh yeah, move.
No.
Officer, I said move back. Move. Come on, move. I said move. 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 I said move.
may I help?
I am looking for the woman and the boy living here.
Man and boy living here?
Yeah, my wife. My wife. They are living here. I'm here to see them.
Oh. I heard the woman living here traveled overseas with her son.
I mean, this is my house. I'm here to see my wife and my son.
I just packed in here about 2 months ago. And I heard the woman living here traveled overseas with her son.
Travel overseas?
Yes.
So you were the one living here now?
I'm the new occupant.
I'm so sorry for disturbing your peace, okay? I'm sorry about that. Travel abroad? How is that possible? Hey.
Poverty have ruined my life. I'm seeing darkness, not light. I'm seeing darkness, not light. What we are doing is not right. Oh God, look at where I found myself. Oh, poverty, poverty make me fail. Ubia machoka, poverty, poverty, poverty have ruined my life. I am confused, I'm engaged. I am a slave in the hands of Delilah. I'm confused, I am engaged right now. I am a slave in the hands of Delilah. Someone please come and help me out from the hands of Delilah. Delilah, Mugomo, hands of Delilah. Iuta, ewo, yego.
I think my life is in danger. I have to leave this town. But how do I get the money to leave this town? Hi.
What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
Papa, nothing happened. Just misfortune.
Misfortune.
Yes.
Happened. You invited it. That woman with the fire eyes has ruined you. I know she has sent you packing.
But where is Mama? I am famished. I go now. Gucci here.
No.
Emma, you're welcome.
What happened?
Mama, nothing happened. Nothing happened. Please, you cook it. I'm very hungry.
Where is your new wife and your car?
Mama, see, that woman deceived me. She deceived me so much. That woman is a cheat and a thief.
Here, someone has come back to his right senses at the wrong time. I told you. I warned you about it, but you refused.
Mama, please, is there anything in the house? I am very famished. I am famished. I need to eat. I'm saying I'm hungry. Nobody's doing anything about it. Yeah?
Okay, you want me to go in and cook for you?
Mama, please, I'm hungry. That's the main thing now. I'm very, very hungry. Please. Please.
You don't even come back with anything. Not even a loaf of bread.
Oh, Mama, what is this now? Eh? Mama, I said I am hungry.
So hungry? Yes, where will I get the food from? When you came back empty-handed, the best come messing with her. Eh? So why should talk to me now? What is happening? Tell me what I want to hear. Tell me what I want to hear now.
Why are you people doing like this now? I told you the woman deceived me. Eh? So I have to come back.
To this house.
Wait. What else do you want to hear? That woman has ruined your son and brought back what is left of him. Look at it. Mania now.
Here. So you came back empty-handed.
Mama, can I eat now?
What? What will you eat? When you didn't come back with anything? What do you want me to offer you? Where will I get it from? Enopa. Okay. Yeah.
Finally, my God, you come out. I don't put everything inside the trunk. That's fine, yes. No, yeah. I can't thank you enough. In fact, if not for you, I wouldn't be here right now. Thank you so very much.
It's okay.
Well, I bought a house last week. My lawyer will take you to the person I bought it from. Well, you can give him just a week's grace to pack out.
All right.
Good. I'll be back next year. I trust you to manage the companies. Recruit new staff to kick off. All right?
All right, Chief. I will.
Someone is still calling me Chief.
I'm sorry, Dad.
No, yeah. You can take a break anytime you wish. Alright? You can travel to any country of your choice to cool down.
Honestly, I'll do just that.
Good.
I'm thinking of traveling to Denmark to spend the Christmas with Bobo.
It's alright. I'll give you a call, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
No.
What?
I won't let you drive this time.
Ah.
I can move this truck.
You can?
Of course.
Honey? My wife! Mama!
What are you doing?
I came to see my wife.
Which wife? I don't think you have any wife in this compound.
I'm talking about Munyem.
Onya.
I heard she's back, so I came to see her.
We are in the wrong place.
Eh?
Sebapo. Get out. I think it's Sebapo. You are in the wrong place. No.
Wrong place. Honey, brother, Mamia.
Honey.
Honey! Let me see my wife now.
Honey, you know, how far gone? Honey, kill you, dear.
No, no. No. Honey. No, no. No. Papa. Papa, I want my wife and my son back.
I will not be part of that stupid act. You divorce your wife in court. You asked to collect your money, the money you paid on her head as bride price. No, tell me. Why do you think I will be so stupid to follow you and go to them?
Papa, I still love my wife. I want them back.
Okay.
Ogini.
Because you heard she is now rich. That is the reason you want them back.
Papa, I want my wife back.
Rubbish. I want my wife back.
Papa, I want my family back.
Because she is now rich. Shoulder in her back.
Mama, why didn't you give me food? Mama, I'm talking to you now. Mama?
Okay, one. Allow me now. Give you what? Why would I give you food? When you didn't come up with a grain of rice, or when the food is not there, allow me to eat this food, please. Biko.
Mama, you're now talking to me anyhow because of my condition. Eh?
This boy, allow me now. What nonsense condition? Am I even a cost condition? Eh? When you did play your game very well. Biko, wow.
Mama,
I'm going.
I can't be watching you eating without giving me food.
My own food, Lupa.
One food, Nasagin. Them you can get. I'm there watching you. You're eating. Not down. I will eat food. Eh?
Hey, this man, what not?
Mama.
Don't try me.
Nena ni iburu doju onu. Noleba nene.
Okay. It's my sweat.
Me na sajo sa. Nemunni.
My friend.
Sophie!
Hey.
How are you?
My sister, I'm fine. Oh. Just look at how you're looking good. Is this your car?
Yes, so my sister. God has been faithful. So where are you going to? Why are you standing here?
My sister, my husband has been sick. I came to see his brother to see if he can give us some money.
Get into the car.
That beggar is a millionaire. A very big man. One day, the whole story changed.
Look at me now. Look at me. Everything is all good for me now. God has blessed me. He has blessed me beyond any human imagination. I can see. Just look at how beautiful you are looking. Just look at how you're radiating.
Thank you.
This is what we call from grace to grace.
Exactly.
From grace to grace. Who will believe that you'll be sitting on top money like this?
God chose me.
He chose me. Who am I? Who am I?
Onye Kambo.
Kai. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
What of Bobo?
Bobo? That one is in Denmark. Yes, so Bobo is in Denmark.
Yay! Really?
Yes.
That's good though. Ha! Bobo? You know Bodo Ibo?
Yes, sir.
Hey, no kwa. And your husband?
Name Potaba. I don't know his whereabouts. And honestly, I do not care. I don't want to know.
Hey, what did you actually say is wrong with your husband? No. They said it's something prostrate, something. I don't even understand. But he needs a surgery. So sorry. I'm so sorry for this. For what you're going through. Totally understand. Really sorry about it. And the doctors, how much did they say it would cost? They said 200 and something thousand. Where will I get such amount of money from? Maybe I can say wait there. Don't have such amount of money. Would you believe that my husband's people, they don't even care. They don't care. Those people don't care.
Here. This is 300,000 naira.
Hey,
No, get up.
Hey, Nonye, 300,000. God bless you. God bless you. God, Nonye, you don't know what you have done for my family.
No.
You don't know what you have done for my family.
Heavy, stand up. It's okay.
Thank you. God bless you.
Bless
God
you
bless
too.
you.
Hi. It's okay.
Hey.
I understand what you're going through.
Hey.
I have been there. It's okay.
Hey.
Please, just
Hey.
go and bring your husband to the city. Let me take him to a specialist hospital. Okay?
Oh, yeah, God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay.
My God will bless you. Where this came from, what will come? Thank you. Now I'll call you later. Bring me fast. Okay.
A good woman with a heart of gold.
Excuse me. Kill me.
This is all you know how to do. You eat my food, sleep, snore, and talk rubbish in your dreams. Go and hustle like other men.
Oh, hey!
Come on, eat my food, eat yours. Onuku. I'm a man.
To marry another man. Mama, don't let this happen, Deacon, do not allow my wife to marry another man. Please don't let this happen, Deacon.
Kajeta again. Again, Kajeta. Please take your madness to your mother. In Anu.
We are talking about my wife here. Do not let her go to another man.
Don't touch me again.
Don't let this happen now.
Don't touch me again.
It won't be good, Mama. Hey. More.
Stealing from your mother. For what? Instead of giving me.
Chimo. Mama.
Are these not my clothes? Since you have started stealing from me, I will make this house unbearable for you.
Hey, Mama, no. I told you I will pay you back now. Why must you do this?
Must you steal from me? I give you till tomorrow to pay me back. If not, you will walk around this village naked. Okay, forget. Hey, I'm pot of one in over that time. I'm
not for tagging million.
Before uncle.
Hey.
Before uncle.
Hey. Papa, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Mama is just burning my clothes.
Is she not your special advisor?
Also,
maybe she thought you want to change your wardrobe.
Papa, wait. Is this all you could say? Eh?
Wait, Kajeta. When has my opinion started to matter in this house? Eh? I thought your mother knows it all. Listen, Mokem, carry your cross in peace. Let me have peace in my house. Nugo.
Didi, you stole my money. You're supposed to be giving me your money. You came home to steal from me. Hey! Don't give me back my money. I will burn them. Till tomorrow. If you don't pay me my money, pay me my money now. Hey.
Yeah, Adam.
Okay,
where's my opener?
I don't drink. I'm out of my body.
Barrister, please. All I'm asking is for you to give us 1 more week. Just 1 more week. So that we can find an alternative accommodation. Things are not rosy. They're not the way they used to be. Besides, somebody's owing me and he said he will pay me by Monday. So, Biko Melomia, Mukembibia Biko. Please.
Mr. Man. Yes. I told you before, my hands are tied. And Chief has gone for his annual holiday. He instructed me that I should lock up this place and give the key to his daughter.
Okay, good. Can I talk to his daughter? Please.
No. She won't listen to you. She's a busy lady.
You never can tell. She might listen to me. Just let me talk to her. There's no harm in trying, please. Bikono, Melvin me this very thing, please. Save him this shame. Okay, maybe Biko.
Well, I will speak to her and get back to you tonight.
Thank you.
Be ready for tomorrow.
Thank you.
Be ready for tomorrow.
I have had you. Thank you. Thank you, Barrister. Please, thank you at least, please.
Don't mention.
So you actually lied to me. You told me it was the piece of land you gave them as collateral. When you gave them our own house.
Darling, please. Let me tell you something.
Oh, please. Don't please me.
I will explain. It happened so fast. I didn't know it was going to be that fast.
Hey! It happened so fast.
Sure.
Is that what you're telling me right now? No, don't touch me. God. Where will I go to? Where am I going from here?
Me too. Where will I go? Just let's take it easy.
Please don't tell me this. Look at how you've ruined my life.
Darling, together we can. Please. Together we can.
See, save me all this your explain. I don't want to hear anything from you. You know what? I have to leave this place.
Darling.
You know what? You can eat this house. Take the whole house.
Are you leaving me?
I'm leaving. I better go back to my father's house. It will be better for me to stay there. Stay here. You're looking at me. Nonsense.
Oh, God. Where do I go from here? What's happening to me, God? I don't need to call around you. So, barrister, please, if she comes, try and talk to her on my behalf, please. What can we be? Please.
I will. That's why we're here.
Thank you.
Just that I doubt if she would agree. This is the man.
Maybe I'm in the wrong place.
Is she? Yeah, she's the one.
Barrister can be able.
I don't understand.
I say you can be also, I don't understand.
Mr. Man?
Hey! Where do you sit down?
Let him know.
Do you know him?
I think so.
Well, I think I should be on my way.
So, brother, that was how it all happened. You understand that? As we speak, I don't even have a dime in my account. My account is in red. And what a goon was again.
You are welcome. At least you came back alive.
Thank God, though. Thank God, though.
Hey. Oh.
Welcome, brother.
Anyway, now, this is the key to your house.
Brother, I don't think it's necessary. No, it's not at all.
How do you mean it is not necessary?
It's a very long story.
What is the long story?
Okay. That house we're talking about is no longer mine. I sold it out to Akukalia, so as we speak, Akukalia is the real owner of the house. That's true.
Wait, you sold your house to Akukalia? When? Why would you do a thing like that?
Brother, let's be honest. I would not have sold it if I knew that things were going to be okay. But I had to sell it so that I will at least hold myself together. I say now, if I am so the reason I'm here is that I want to beg. I'm begging, I'm not ordering, I'm not longing. I want to beg. If it's possible for me to stay here, when I bounce back.
Until you bounce back from where? You are welcome. Stingy man. You are not welcomed in this house. When Ania, okay, money says now.
My wife, what is it?
Also, no, my wife. You know, me husband and wife. You know, you know, okay, because in this year, you're not welcome here.
Adaku, shut up and go inside. Get inside.
Naira, if I can't go inside.
Adaku, where are you going with his bag?
Brother Chelo. Okay, man, Naba. I got snap toto. Oh, Kochubagoso, Baba. Naba. It's a water. Get over, Baba. Give me my bag. Give me my bag now.
are you going to your back? Imawata. As we speak, I don't even know where I will lay my head.
Okay.
Can't give me a man. What is your cousin? Listen, you will not understand, but I believe that at the nick of time you will understand. I learned you were supposed to be getting married to a very rich lady in the town. What are you doing here?
Uncle, I don't want to talk about that now, because all I want now is someone that will help me talk to my wife to forgive me.
Talk to your wife to forgive you?
Yes, I need them back.
And that one. So,
Uncle, I'm talking to you now.
Uncle, Dwaga Banya. So, maybe Bunano. I don't know Bunana Tramaka. I will from there, I'll go to Ghana.
Uncle, not where?
Did you come back with my money? Where's my money? Can I go miss you?
I'm not just.
Did you come back with my money?
Mama, I'm not just in the mood for that drama now. Please, just let me be. Meaning? Mama, rap. Mama, stop. I'll push you. Push me. I'll push you now.
Push me.
I'll push you.
Wait me fast. Give me my money.
I don't like what you're doing now.
Give me my money.
You want to push Mama?
Ha!
Try it if I won't break your head.
What did you just do?
I pushed you.
You pushed me?
Yes.
Eh! Oh, Unaba. Okay, okay, you're supporting him.
Right?
Yes.
You're supporting him. Okay, no problem.
Unyoshi.
Is that the situation now?
Yes, oh. Yes.
Get out.
No, no, cause Ebelima.
Come and touch Mama again.
Shameless Diabala.
Come and touch her again.
No, cause Thief. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Come.
Why is that? Allow me to beat that guy.
Come. What are you? What are you? You come back. Come back.
I believe you're Chief Donald's daughter. We need a loan. Actually, I spoke to your father on the phone concerning it and he asked me to come and meet you here in the office.
Do you remember me, sir?
I'm sorry, I think I'm in the wrong place.
No. You're not. I am Chief Donald's daughter. Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
So, how may we help you with a loan?
We're on the verge of liquidation. If we don't get a loan now, we might face the worst.
Terrible people face the worst things. Don't you think so, sir?
Look, you should know that I'm at your mercy at the moment.
No. On the contrary, you are not. Do you have a collateral?
But Chief is my friend.
Then I'm sorry. We cannot help you. We are strictly out for business.
Mom, please. I really need this loan. Do this for me, please.
If you don't mind, I would like to attend to the next person.
Please.
Get a collateral and you come back.
Mom, Chief is my friend. Why would you need a collateral for me?
Thank you, please. I would like to attend to the next person.
Mom, but Chief is my friend.
I would not like to call the security on you. Thank you.
Mom, please, just do this for me.
Please, respect yourself.
Surprises. Child, I'm so ashamed of myself. What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself? Okay, shit. What is all this? I'm so ashamed of myself.
How may I help you?
Please, I'm sorry.
If you're here for the job, let me know your CV.
Please forgive me, please. I am sorry.
Your CV?
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 The truth
CV?
The truth is that I was under her spell. Please. Baby, it's me, oh. Please, I'm so sorry for everything. Please forgive me. What's my name?
Security. There's a non-entity in my office.
Is your husband you calling non-entity?
Trash him out.
Baby, you just called your husband on an entity. Yeah, I was under her spell. She was just messing me up. I didn't even know what I was doing.
Security. Yes. You see this man here?
Yes, ma'am.
Trash him out like a dustbin.
Okay, ma'am. Come on, mind the door. Don't you have respect? Honey, look at how this guy is talking to me.
Trash him out. Dustbin. Now!
Honey, look at who is talking to me. Please, excuse me. Honey, please don't do this now. Oh, become. Baby. Baby. No. No. Channel. Honey, push me like that. Mama, all right. Baby, come on, leave me alone.
What is it? I don't see that face again.
Don't push me like that again.
What's going on here?
You. I swear, Satan will punish you for this. Satan will punish you for this. Hellfire is waiting for you. Apogi, you. Frokode. Dalana Pogale. Nonsense.
Officer, this is the man that raped me when I came to his office to look for a job. You are the one, don't deny it.
Hi. That's exactly what you can do.
Me? You are the one.
Rape you?
Yes, you are the one.
Oga, as you can see, Inspector Danjuma from headquarters.
Oh,
you are under arrest for rape.
Arrest for what?
For rape.
I, Mr. Joe, raped this woman.
Yes,
you did. I know exactly what you can do.
It's okay. No problem.
I think I have to call my lawyer.
Excuse me, sir. He will check us at the station.
You mean I can't call my lawyer too? Nonsense, man. God, I just told you that God will punish you. He has started punishing you already.
Rapist. A very big rapist. Look at you.
I'm seeing darkness, not light. I'm seeing darkness, not light. What we are doing is not right.
Dala. Where am I even going to?
I found myself.
Not even Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
You like this environment?
Go.
Eh?
Again,
Child.
Money is good though.
Yeah, so you can say it again. Like just the talk and the go. Make I ask you.
Okay.
I hope say you sabi cook.
Ha. I can cook.
Eh?
Yes, very, very well. I used to have a fast food joint.
And I dare you get that wrong. You don't come again. I used to. We dey talk of present tense. You dey tell me I used to. We dey talk of now.
Okay, if not cooking, I know how to cook very well. Really fancy.
Wetin that come?
Ntabi.
You know why they tell you this thing? May no be say I no give you the expo now because my madam na no nonsense human being. If you don't do cook anyhow, from your village people, 2 seconds you don't go.
Don't bother yourself about that one. I can cook very well. Your madam will be ninsi. Omanyeni higadongo. Nari.
Jola?
My madam did this.
How did this get in here?
Madam, now you can't walk.
Can you listen to me?
Honey,
throw this thing out of this house now.
Baby, one thing.
And the next time I see him in this compound again, you will lose your job.
Now that one I don't want.
Push him out.
I don't like that one.
I said push him out.
Honey is speed. Oh, God, honey be that. They talk of trouble. They call honey.
Oh God, look at me. I found myself. Oh, poverty. Poverty may go me fair. Who get my joker? Poverty, poverty have ruined my life. You I'm seeing darkness, not light. What we are doing is not right. Oh God, look at where I found myself. Oh, poverty,
So you're back from exile, right? Where's Mama's money? Where's Mama's money now?
Chima, I'll break your head.
Break my head.
I'll break your
My
head.
head.
I'm not here to play with you. I'm a Kwakwagisi.
So I'm playing with you now, Abi. Where's Mama's money?
I think I'm your mate.
Where's Mama's money now?
Who do you think you're talking to? Huh? Who do you think you're talking to? Are you mad?
You hit me.
Are you mad? And I'll hit you. And I'll hit you again. I will hit again. I will. You can go here, man. Eh?
Hey! I'll break this guy. Leave myself for me.
Start on this, oh. Start on this. Eh? What have you done?
Mama. Mama!
John!
See what you've done! You've killed her! You've killed her!
You did!
You were the one that killed her!
You did!
Have you seen what you've caused?
You did!
Mama! What's happening here? Mama! Mama, it's me now! Mama, it's Chima! Have you seen what you've caused?
Chima! What is happening? What happened here?
He was the one fighting with her!
Chima hit her with a stick!
Mama, it's a lie! Mama! 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 Hi! Me! Mama! Hi! Mama!
Oh! Hey!
Hi!
Let me get a cab! Let me get a cab! Let me get a cab!
Mama! Mama! Papa, you were the one that killed her!
Hey!
Mama! Mama!
Adaku!
I'm seeing darkness, not light. I'm seeing darkness, not light. What we are doing is not right. Oh God, look at where I found myself. Oh, poverty, poverty have ruined my life. Poverty,
Just get yourself together. Just take it easy. Huh? Take it easy. Please. It's not the end of the road for anybody. Just relax.
It's a blessing from above. It's a blessing from above. A good woman with a heart of gold. A good woman with a heart of gold. A selfless woman with a pure heart. A beautiful woman with a pure heart. A poor woman with a heart of gold. for Nonye, who will help her in this situation. Nonye is a blessing from above. Nonye is a blessing from above.